please don't disturb the class, Kailina. Turn off your mic. Yes, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, listen. We are going to start showing the plurals once again, and you just have to go through it. Because again, we won't show. Parents can leave the children because we are just repeating the same. We want to make it sure that they all understood. Okay, and let them sit and watch nicely. Now, we are just starting because we did like that. Don't see the data now. 2 classes we just put together last day because I wanted to make you all write it. Now we'll do separately, like only to observe. Okay, now listen carefully. We add S. Just look at this. Don't worry about anything. Just look at this. No need to write anything. To certain words that day I couldn't explain to you because I had to take both the classes together. I mean, 2 dates together, and give you 10 words. That's important one. Important 10 words. Now you see, just have a look here. Nothing to write, children. So you just close everything. Just look. See the words written from first to 4. First one, I'm going to make. Samantha, please read the words from first to 4. First to 4. Samantha. See, when I call somebody at once, you must come online. Samantha. Yes. Now, Shashwata. Okay, Samantha. Samantha. Is it Samantha? Samantha? Tell yes. Okay. Samantha, please read. See, read from 1 to 4 words. Samantha. Start. Only read the words. J. Then, book. Pen. Okay. Now, how to get plural for these? Samantha, you just tell me how to get plural for this. I'm not asking any rules. When you add which letter, you will get plural. Many. Tell me. Star. What is the plural of star?
Star.
Very good. J. J. Add S. Days. Say. Samantha, please answer me. Now, book. Book.
Books.
Very good. Pen.
Pens.
Pen. Good. Now, Shashwata, read. I'm reading. I'm just. Shashwata, read from 5 to 8. 5 to 8.
Those. Shoe.
No. 1 minute. Listen, Shashwata. Only the words you tell me 5 to 8. Don't tell me the plurals. Door.
Door. Shoe. Car.
Lion. Now, 1 minute. If you add a letter to this, you will get the plural. Now, which letter you have to add to these words, nouns?
S.
Very good. Now, read the answer. Doors.
Doors. Shoes. Cars. Lines.
Very good. See, children, when I'm asking you question and you're answering, you're getting mark over here. Thank you, Shashwata. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay?
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, ma. Welcome. Now listen, I'm not asking. 1 minute. Let me write. Let me keep this. Now I want Shamma. The same thing, children, you're adding yes to this. To read 9 to 12. 9 to 12 nouns over here. Yes. Only the not answer nouns.
Ma'am.
House. Read.
Houses.
No. I'm not. See, Shamma. I want you to read only the questions, not the answer. Now, house.
House.
Read.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bottle.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bottle.
Bottle.
Cup. Yeah. Cup.
Cup. Cup.
Fan. Fan.
Fan.
Now, tell me the plural. Wait 1 minute. One letter you have to add to these nouns. Only one letter. Which letter you have to add? Add
S.
S. Now read the answer with S. Houses,
Houses. Bottles.
cups.
Cups. Fans.
Now children, when you write the same word. Then add just S to that. Okay, thank you. Now Shaina, please read. Now listen to me. I want you to listen to my question.
Okay,
13 to 16 nouns, words, not answers. Only read 13 to 16 words, nouns. Come on. Pot.
Pot. Shaft. Tree. Pencil.
Very good. Now, can you tell me the answers, plural of these words?
Pots. Chairs. Trees. Pencils.
Very good. Very good. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. We'll go. Now listen here. Now we have some pictures. I want Tanvi. Tanvi, please read this. Tanvi, where are you? I'll have to go back and see now whether they are present over there. Tanvi is not there. Tanvi is present. Yes. Tanvi, yes, you're there. I saw you. Yes. Thank you, Tanvi. Yes, ma? Tanvi, listen to me. Now,
Before you turn on, ma'am, we should write.
no, nothing to write. Only you have to observe because nothing to write. That's what you have to listen, Tanvi. You all are switching on the class and you're just joining the class and leaving the class. I think that's what I have to see you. Wait. Now, Tanvi, read. 3 something is there in the picture. 3. Can you read what is it? 3. Picture. Can you see the screen, Tanvi? Buses. Now, can you tell the singular? One word of that. This is plural word. What is the singular form of that? Tell me. Yes? Now, 1 minute. Okay. I want Arush Botra. Can you tell me the singular form of buses? When you add ES, you are getting the plural. See, you have to learn all this. Arush. Tanvi, can you try? Tanvi. When you add ES, look at that word. Tanvi, look at that word. When you add ES, you got the plural. So what was the singular word over there? 3 buses. 1
Bus, ma'am.
Very good. See, you have to wait. Not Arush, wait. Now, thank you, Tanvi. Arush, see the first picture on top, right side. What is it, Arush? Arush. Next to buses. Now, Arush is not present, I think so. Arush, you're there. Please answer me. Arush, turn on your camera. No, he's not answering. Now, Akhil Vishruth. Akhil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Akhil. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Tell me you can see two animals there next to that bus's picture. Can you read the names of them? Names of those animals.
Fox, ma'am.
No, that's 2 animals. Foxes. Say foxes. Now, can you tell me if only one animal is there, what will be the name we write? Not foxes. Only fox. Very good, Akhil. Very good. I don't know what happened to Arush. Good, good. Now, next picture down below buses. This is for Alan George. Alan.
Ma'am.
Now, can you read the word to? Something is given there. Below bus. Bushes. Bushes. Now, can you tell me the singular form of it?
Bush.
Bush. My God, bush. Bushes. You're adding ES. I know that you'll be smiling now, but I'm not seeing now. Thank you, Alan. Now, Akhilan. Akhilan, are you there? Akhilan? No, Akhilan is not there. We'll go to the next child. Naren. 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 Yes, Naren. What happened, Naren? Come soon. Now I'll call Present. Present. Naren will get chance later. Present, can you tell me below the fox's picture, what are the four things given there? Present.
Boxes, ma'am.
Very good. Boxes. Now tell me the singular form of it.
Box,
Only one.
ma'am.
Only one box. Thank you, Prajan. Now, some children are not there. I'll just have to put Naren. Then Akhilan. Arush did not answer. Okay, okay. Now next one. Next one. Sachin. Sachin, can you tell me the picture below bushes?
Boxes.
No, no, no. Below bushes. Below bushes. Peaches. What is it?
Bushes.
No, no. Below bushes, some 5 fruits are there. Peach, Sachin. Peaches. Say.
Peaches.
Okay. Now, if I show you one picture, what will you say?
Peach.
Very good. Now, next one. Sanjay. Next to peaches and below boxes. Can you read that word?
Brushes.
Brushes. And 4 brushes. That means one what? One dash. One brush. Good, good. Okay. Now see here, children. That's not shown very like bright, but you just see quizzes that you can see. Okay. You're adding ES to all this. Don't worry about it. You can go back and read all this. I will read quizzes, brushes, box. Okay, I'll make somebody read. 1 minute. Sanjeevan, can you read the first 5 plural form? Sanjeevan, are you there? Yes. Good morning. Sanjeevan, how are you? Yes, Sanjeevan. Yes. Please read the first 5. Kill, kiss. I want you to read the singular form and the plural form.
Honey,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
the children not put on the cameras? No,
Yes,
insist
ma'am.
on cameras.
Ma'am, in between. 1 minute, ma'am.
No, let them keep it on. No harm.
Okay. Please turn on your, thank you, ma'am. Turn on your cameras, children. I can call you in between.
Possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Now, Sanjeevan, please read the first 5 words. Singular and the plural. Yeah. Then, next one. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes. Second one.
Brushes.
Yes.
Boxes.
Yeah.
Presents.
Yeah. Next one.
Kisses.
Okay. Thank you. Next one. 1 minute. All can turn on your cameras. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Let me show you. Now, 5 is over. Quizzes, brushes, boxes, addresses, kisses. Now, next 5 words will go to Sanjit. Okay, turn on your camera. I want 1 minute. Yes. Sanjit, turn on your camera and read the words from the screen. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, Sanjit, one by one. First you read the singular form, then you read the plural. Yes.
Glass, glasses,
Glasses. Now 1 minute.
church,
Read.
church, churches,
Yes.
bench, benches,
Benches. Then. Next one. You need help? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now, you said glasses, churches, benches. Now, read dresses.
dresses,
Dresses.
princes,
Princesses. Already, yes.
witches,
Witches. See, children, prince. You just look at prince, the female princess. So you just add es. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. 1 minute. Now, certain things all must turn on your camera. So when I ask, I will just see whether you are just reading from the screen properly. Now see this picture, bus. 3 something is there. 3. 1 bus. We have 3 buses. We have 3 buses. Now, Sri Mukilan, you have Sri Mukilan, please turn on your camera. You can turn on your camera and sit. Sri Mukilan, just watch this picture. Sri Mukilan, please answer me, Sri Mukilan. Yes. Can you see bus over there? Bus.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can see the plural of it, buses. You can't write only S. You have to add ES. Now, Sri Mukilan, I'll show you next picture. Now, don't tell me, just observe the picture. And what picture is this, Sri Mukilan? Only Sri Mukilan. Dress. Now, 1 minute. You see the other picture next to that. Many. How will you, 1 minute. How will you get the plural of this? What should you add to dress? Tell me. What?
Dresses.
Yes. No, dresses is correct. But you just see, you're adding ES. Okay, 1 minute. You're adding ES. Where is Sri Mukilan? I can't see you. Sri Mukilan, come on the screen. Yes, Sri Mukilan. Now, you added ES. All can turn on your camera. You just added ES to that. So, bus, buses, dress, dresses. You must be attentive in class. Sit properly. No running about, okay? Because you had a break and you have come back. Now, we'll go to the next one. Now, dresses is over. Now, see the next picture. This is a classroom. It's class. Okay, Mukilan, thank you. Now, I'm going to call Tridip. Only you have to watch. See, one class. Okay, Tridip, just have a look at this classroom. How many children are there? 6 children. Don't say S. That's different. I'll tell you irregular nouns. Don't want all that rules. Children, not children, children. 6 children are there. Now that's only one class. Now I'll show you. See here. It's like 1, 2 classes again repeated. Now, what will you write for the plural of this class? How will you get? Class? Now, okay, what are you going to add with this class, this word? S or ES? Very good. You're adding ES. ES. Thank you. Thank you, Tridip. Now, okay. Next one. Wait. After Tridip, Sai Vasavi. Let me see Sai Vasavi. Sai Vasavi, yes. You are ready there. Sai Vasavi. I showed one picture over there. Can you tell me what is it? 1 minute. Wait. Now, I want everybody to be attentive. See that somebody left the classroom. 1 minute. Sai, just see this Sai. What is this Sai?
Bushes.
No, 1 minute. Only
Bush.
answer. This is a bush. Okay, one bush. You just see one. Now see here. Lots. Actually, it's one. See here. How will you get the plural?
Bushes.
Bushes. Tell me the spelling.
Bushes.
Yes, very good. Bush, bushes. Say bush, bushes. Tell me.
Bushes.
Yes, good. Now, see when you are in class, behind you must not switch on TV, all that. Okay. See that only just half an hour. Now we'll go to the next one. This question goes to Jeff Nathaniel. Jeff,
Yes,
I want to see you. Wait. Where is Jeff? Yes, Jeff.
Yeah.
Good. Now, can you read that? You just tell me what picture. Only one.
Brush.
Only that. Brush. Now, I'll show you. Now, tell me. I will write the spelling of brush. B-R-U-S-H. You can start with small letter, no problem. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Now, Jeff. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now some numbers. Now, one brush is given. Now, here, tell me how many. Count and tell me.
1, 2, 3,
Three
4, 5, 6. 6 brushes.
brushes. Now, tell me the spelling of it. Tell me the spelling of it.
B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes.
Carolina, please turn off your microphone. You can turn on your camera. When I ask question, you can answer. Okay, in between you are coming. Thank you, Jeff. Now we'll go to the next one. Next one is for Niral. Niral. Where
Yes,
is Niral? Yes, Niral. Very happy, Niral. Now, I showed one picture over there. What is it? Only tell me that picture.
bench.
Bench. Now, let me see. Let me show you something else. Now, bench. Let me write the spelling. B-E-N-C-H. What is it? B-E-N-C-H. Okay, Niral. I'll show you some more pictures. Now, what is this now?
Bench.
Bench.
Benches.
Benches. Can you tell me the spelling of it?
B-E-N-C-H-S.
No, C-H-E-S. That's what. Don't worry about making mistake. You have to add E-S. See, ending with C-H. You have to add E-S. Don't worry about all this. Don't go for rules. As you write and learn, you will get it. We finished writing 10 words. Now, benches. What is it? Benches. Repeat. Benches. Niral, repeat. Benches. Yes, good. Now, next one. After Niral, we'll go to girls. Adonia. I want to see Adonia. Yes. Adonia, please turn on your camera. I want to see you. Yes. What happened to Adonia? Adonia, can you tell me? Okay, where is Adonia? I want to see you. Sri Muklan's father, let Sri Muklan come on the screen. Yes. Adonia, where are you? I know that you are in class. Turn on your camera. Yes, see, all are very happy seeing.
He's gone to the restroom.
Okay, now. Okay, that's Sri Muklan. Okay, now. Adonia, can you see the picture? Must be she's scared to come. Adonia, excuse me. Adonia, what happened, Adonia? Adonia, tell me.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, tell me why you didn't come on the screen. I told you, wait, I'll see you. Now tell me the picture. What picture is this, Adonia?
Box, ma'am.
Only one box, okay? Now wait for the question. Wait. Now see here. So many. Can you tell me what is it?
From the restroom.
It's okay. You tell me this, Adonia.
Boxes, ma'am.
Boxes. Tell me the spelling. B-O. Tell. Write the same word first.
B-O-X.
Tell me. Don't worry.
E-S.
E-S. No problem for making mistake. We can correct. Box. E-S. Ending with X, you have to add E-S. Don't add X. Okay. B-O. Thank you. Okay. Now next person is Akshara. Akshara, just observe. Very easy. What fruit is this, Akshara? Let me see Akshara now. Akshara, where are you? Adonia has come. Okay, Adonia. Good, good. Akshara, where are you? Yes, good, good, good. Akshara, tell me the picture now. What picture is this? What fruit is this? Mango. What is the plural of mango? 1 minute, I'll show you. Sorry. Mango. Mango. No. I want you to tell me the spelling I showed you. Tell me the spelling of mangoes. Tell me. M-A-N-G-O-E-N. Very good. Mangoes. Okay. Good children. Mangoes. Now next one is Effie. Effie.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what picture is this? Ma'am forgot. Please tell me.
It's a glass.
It's a glass. Now, I'll show you something else. Now, what's this? What is this, Effie?
Glasses.
Yes, Effie, good. Tell me the
Glasses.
spelling. Tell me the spelling. Glasses.
G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses.
Very good. Now, Fatima. Fatima. Let me see Fatima. Fatima,
ma'am.
where are you? Yes, Fatima. Turn on your camera, Fatima. Good. Fatima, please tell me that picture. Fatima, tell me that. Potato. Potato. Yes. Wait. Can you tell me the spelling of potato?
P-O-T-O-T-A.
Oh, don't worry.
Potato.
See, ma'am is doing. Potato. Potato. Now, I'll show you some other picture. Many. One and many. So many things are there. What is it?
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Now write the same word. Tell me the spelling. P-O.
P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S.
Very
Potatoes.
good. Now I know that all are going back to the recording and seeing all the pictures, and you must keep in your mind all these plural words. Okay. Thank you, Fatima. Now the last one. After Fatima, Joshika Mary. Joshika Mary. Joshika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is this?
Tomato.
No,
Tomato.
It's tomato. Yes, good. Spelling, you just check the spelling. Read from the screen now. T-O.
T-O-M-A-T-O.
Where is
Tomato.
Joshika? I want to see you. Joshika, turn on your camera. I want to see you. Joshika. Yes. Yes, Joshika. Good. Now, can you tell me the plural of it? 1 minute, I'll show you. I'll show you many. See, only one and many. Tell me the plural of the first
Potatoes.
tomato.
Tomatoes.
Yes, first you write the same word. Okay, and O-M-A-T. Don't worry, write the same word, then write. Okay, now branch. Now I'm going to tell you. Look at this, branches. Okay, now see here, dish. All this we finish. Dishes. Just have a look, children, just 5 minutes. Church. Churches. Okay, now don't watch. Watches. Just go back, okay? Go back and see the other day we showed you all this. Now all this, now I want you to just go through it. Okay, we'll teach you again. Don't worry about it. I finished taking this before. Now, 1 minute. Now, this, just observe. 1 minute. Tiger, tigers. Now, we finish writing all these 10 words. I'll ask you 1 minute. Just 1 minute, children. Now, you finish writing all these 10 words. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? 1 minute. I want Kanira.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Kanira, just tell me whether you have completed this in your classwork note.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody finish writing. Everybody. Who did not write? Please don't write anything now. I'm asking you, who did not write this? Just tell only that child answer. Who did not write 10 words? Write the plural of. Who did not write? No, nobody. Now listen. Excuse me. Somebody told you did not write. That's what I'm asking you. Somebody told me. Who's this? Children, I just want to know whether everybody finished writing that. Everyone. Plural. Singular, plural. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now turn on your camera. Yes.
Yes,
You finished.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, children. I'll talk to you. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. Now I want to